Hi there. Have I done something that has damaged my child? I don't think there's any parents who haven't felt that or wondered that at some point, right? Every parent that I know has tried to prevent some type of emotional wounding that they themselves experienced when they were growing up. We love our kids. We want to protect them. We really want them to have the best life possible. And we want them to be able to feel how much we love them and prevent, the wounding or painful experiences we had when we were growing up. So as soon as we either realize that we've done something that hurt them or that has resulted in a habit that maybe we know doesn't serve them well, or maybe we've just read something online or in a book and suddenly we realized, oh, I shouldn't have done that, and that's why my son or my daughter does, this habit or why they struggle with self-esteem, right? When we realize those things, it's really hard not to feel guilty or to feel ashamed or to really wonder if we've done damage that can't be repaired. Here's what I want you to know. I struggled a lot with connecting with my son and with supporting him emotionally when he was younger. And that's because I had my own challenges with anxiety and with adrenal fatigue, which made it difficult to sleep at night and resulted in just fatigue in general, and a lot of other health challenges. So I knew something was missing, when I was reading the books on connection and conscious parenting, but I couldn't figure it out. And he was 13 years old by the time I discovered nervous system regulation and somatic work. And there was a lot of habits and a lot of nervous system wiring that was laid down by that time, right? But the nervous system regulation learning, the somatic work that I did starting when I figured it out, that was pivotal in our relationship, and that carried us through probably some of the most difficult parenting years through his teen years. He's 20 years old now. So yeah, he was 13 years old already when I figured it out. And I remember thinking to myself, oh my gosh, like I wish I'd learned this earlier. But it's never too late to make a difference. I made a difference. We have a connected relationship now. I know parents who have figured some stuff out or done, a piece of healing work when their kids are adults, and they still are able to make some changes in many cases in the direction that they want to go. So it's never too late. There's always hope. And whatever age your kids are, when you figure out something different or when you decide to start doing some healing work, just start right there. It's never too late. Kids and humans in general are always seeking connection. So if you're able to be in that place where you can offer that connection and that unconditional love, eventually they will very, very likely gravitate to it. So I hope that feels hopeful and inspiring for you. Thanks for listening. If you have questions, just pop them in down below.